Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting your Raspberry Pi 4 to factory settings is different from resetting a smartphone or a laptop. The Raspberry Pi does not have a built-in reset button or a recovery partition on its internal hardware. Instead, all your data and the operating system live on a removable microSD card. To perform a full factory reset, you must wipe this card and reinstall the software from scratch. First, back up any important files because this process will delete everything permanently. You will need a separate computer with an internet connection and a microSD card reader. Start by removing the card from your powered-down Raspberry Pi 4. Insert the card into your computer. Next, download and open the official Raspberry Pi Imager tool from the official website. This software is free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Inside the tool, click on the button to choose your operating system. Select the recommended version of Raspberry Pi OS for the best results. Then, click on the button to choose your storage and select your microSD card from the list. Be very careful to pick the correct drive so you do not erase the wrong disk. Once you are ready, click the right button. The software will format the card and install a fresh copy of the operating system. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. When the process finishes, eject the card safely. Insert the freshly imaged card back into your Raspberry Pi 4 and plug in the power cable. Your device will boot up like it is brand new for you once again.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.